This is a special bit of shout out to my dear friend Elder B Productions. Elder no mume, Borupana no mume. We go toast them up together. Elder, if you break my tune, I me go pay. Sana me go pay. You get to as you've added another year today, relax and merry brother. You get to wahala no dey feel. Happy birthday, many more years to you. Asimuche ya kamai, gute ya kamai. Eti je chuku nebino, obo ya kamai. Gute ya kamai, gute ya kamai. Eda, eti je chuku nelisi, obo ya kamai. Gute ya kamai. Elder be one man. Gute chuku kamai. Eti je chuku nebino, obo ya kamai. Pascal we don't know. Gute ya kamai. Eti je chuku nebino, obo ya kamai. Ako wandi chuku merema, ngebuzo kunyegi elder. Nkuwanu ndi chuku merebere, Pascal ni bontonye ni meyo. Executive producer, Elder B Productions. Pascal ni eji maragie, baka mere guitar oku oku. Rina music producer, Pascal Uchena aye. Okwina no kamneti ewu na nambusi ni igadere. Let me seize this moment, brother. I wish you well in your new age. Only Sando waking do ogologo. Happy birthday, brother. Oh no, beside you don't know better yesterday. Elder P, you live long. Pascal, you live long. Opposite